nó trống chừng ngồi đi tôi chơi rồi luôn tôi xin tàu rồi tôi bật để là quá chi à nó không có chú mình nó này có quả nó tao cơ hay cho hả hay cho hả hay cho hả có gạo luôn bây giờ bắp xà nhiều bắp xà tử lúc nào bây lúc thấy có hay nha rồi đó lúc sát tiểu á lúc mẹ ấy ra sát tiểu á Trứng là mỏ cá. Okay, chi gì? Okay, I got it.
She did it down here.
Nào biết tên là mỏ baby. Giờ rong à baby. Giờ rong cứ sẽ nín luôn này. Giờ đó qua mà take a picture. Yeah. Đi coi ạ. Đó là nhá ha tu ha. Nhá phử ha, phử thế mẹ ăn lại tôi bên nó món party ha si ha. Chỉnh thia. Mẹ ăn lại ha, nó món kinh tiêu. Hi. Thế mẹ ăn là món canh tiền mẹ ăn hẳn cho tên anh ta. Bật chê mới chạy, bóng rồi bật chê. Lên đấy bé nhà này đúng là tôi nó món kia. Nó cũng một lót tay để ô, lót tay nó cũng liêu, chiếc tay ừ.
Maybe it's like it.
Nó sushi. Nó cũng chưa. Mẹ ăn cái đó chứ mẹ? Swing. You eat swing?
It's so good. Eating it now.
Nó chỉ tệ lên nó không bốn đâu mà.
She used to eat the skin.
Ăn nhỉ nó scan ha. Oh.
Damn, can never be beat.
Hey,
No, I eat it and it's good.
are you eat?
I
Are you
eat like a certain amount.
Eat your food, okay?
Yeah, hi, don't
Hi.
She's a seafood lover. Let me do for you.
Tôi sẽ của tên đâu đây tiêu.
Let me do for you.
Ôi hai mò, hai cúng chư, hai tê.
She hasn't touched her food.
Ooh, she has.
Notice.
You guys, you need to eat your mama right now.
She touches me while she ate her donut. That's what she ate. That's all she ate. I just noticed that.
I told her she has a sweet tooth.
I think she ate her donut and she ate one more time.
Cái ba lô lò.
You're noodle.
Cứ tê hết rồi nó. Chỉ từ ngõ lò là. Chỉ từ mình nhận sai ơ. Cái tụi mà ăn này ơ. Cái tụi mà ăn này có bún ly kia ha. Bún ly kia nhá ha. Thường ở tôi sẽ bé xí nè.
All you do is eat cake.
Yeah.
Thế nữ tụi nó nữ chỉ bỏ bắt đi mà nữ tiền nữ nó cũ nó chẳng nó nữ bỏ bắt đi nữ tiền nữ nó bắt đi nữa. Nữ chỉ cảm đâu.
Good job, Uncle.
Yeah, I basically asked her, I was like, did you want this? This? And she's like, yeah, yeah. So I did.
Quyến non tía, chả về của tao chờ.
Yeah, eat it. It's okay, there's more over there. You go grab more in a bit.
I think she ate it all already.
Kìa. Yeah, chả đa còn tao nói á. Chả đa còn tao nói đấy.
You full already? It's okay, eat in the middle.
Nó sao tụi tôi là chỉ trong đây nè.
Oh, I know, I don't like this.
You want something else? Go, mommy. Let's see, mommy gave you something
You
else.
want to eat
Bye.
this?
Where are your shoes?
No thanks?
Rất là lù à. Rồi, rất tôi sợ. Không từ hai lúc hè nè.
Sweet,
Nó nói
start
này. Hai lúc hè. Snitch. Snitch.
I thought she was like that before you left.
You are. She still is.
Maybe go, mommy. Oh, girl, you look like a mess.
You're not done, not cake.
Có bị niệm. Có bị niệm.
No. They told you I don't know how it tastes like yet. What if I don't like it? With low seasoned toast.
Yeah. You done with your cake?
Thế nè.
She said that?
I don't know which one.
I think it's her. I don't know if she's not gonna say it.
Who said that? It,
Oh,
it's
Esme.
me.
X-Men.
I know that it's
Oh my
Esme.
God.
Don't get her mad. She told you to keep that.
Good job. Take a
Damn,
fork.
no wonder I did hear it right.
Mavis too.
I
Dang,
did
all
hear it
good.
right. I was like, did I hear that right?
Yeah, I couldn't tell if it was her or her.
Mavis.
Esme teach you or you teach Esme? Not me. She's not gonna take the blame for it.
Not me. She said herself.
She looks cute and smart now.
I know, she talks so much. Very talkative. Oh my god. There's y'all on her seafood.
Wow, you really
And
like
this
seafood
girl
now.
only came back with onion rings and whatever.
Yeah.
I was like, if you want something else to eat, mommy's over there. And she got up so fast. She was gonna run without her shoes.
I know. And she's like, I'm like,
I just-
what? And she's like, this.
Oh, she wanted.
She wanted
Disney covered them all.
Yeah, I just heard Esme say what the heck. It was Everly or Esme? Everly, it was Esme. Like, okay.
Everly is motherfucker. Because so her dad was you know how Felix likes to game rage a lot or whatever. You know how Felix cousin, of course, you know. Well, he just cussed in general. And freaking
Dạ có chú mua này.
her dad was like, Everly, go get daddy a snack cookie in the cabinet. And she's like, okay. So all I heard was the chair shuffling, you know, on the kitchen floors or whatever. And then like Mavis was like, let me help you. She goes, no, motherfucker. We all just laughed, freaking laughed in the freaking room. I was like, we heard you. She goes, not me, Mavis. I was like, no, because she can't pronounce motherfucker. She said motherfucker.
Dạ có chuyện nó rồi.
What is this?
No, I'll put it outside so I can eat this.
I don't like so.
You want a new napkin? Use this one, baby.
Yeah, I put me back on there.
You should be using a shit ton.
Okay.
She's very nyuam.
Sit.
Oh my
Sao
god.
chưa có vào đơn vậy? Dạ.
So smushy.
Okay.
They like overcooked it.
Chắc là muốn cho ai gì muốn cho ôi gì nữa luôn đó.
Look.
Cracked it. Yeah, it's mushy.
Này nó tụi nó to.
Too much work. If it's mushy.
They don't have no. At least I did. Yeah.
What's there to do? What's there to do? Like kid friendly.
I don't know.
Did it give you?
It's still open?
I think they open till 5 only. 5.
Good.
She was probably talking about it's so cold it's still open.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah,
it's still open.
Oh, really?
They don't officially close until like winter, like.
Until like the first.
Did the animal even come out?
Có một dụ.
There's some animals out.
Nó mà nói nó một có một dụ chả.
No, I was just asking. Like, where's
We went. We went literally last week.
We went last week. Yeah.
Nó
wanna
nên
go
lo
walk
họ
because
chỉ
we
cái
were
bị nó
fat.
lo chè. Lần trước rồi
We
mà.
literally just
Yeah.
ate and we were fat, so like let's go walk.
Yeah, we went and walked out.
I almost didn't want to go. They forced me, bro.
She came and visited me last week, but
Nhà nét thì nhà bị chợ.
yeah, she's like,
Lọ. Nét thì
where's
mà
the
không bị chợ.
baby?
Did you take?
Bị sao?
Yeah.
Ô tô không có dụ to.
Yeah.
Sáng trên mình số là dụ nó.
No, I don't know. This is expensive.
Lúc con trên nó trong thở. Lúc con trên nó trong thở.
Did you see him up?
You don't want no more?
Nó nằm mình.
Sure.
I think after I had Kyla, she's all about her dad. I felt bad.
Ooh, that's me. I see.
I felt so bad.
She like attached to the head.
Because he got new babies.
When you want?
They're like all about their dad.
Was she nice to the baby?
Yeah, she is. They like their baby sister. Maybe
Really?
it's carries
'Cause I
her
felt
around
like
the
this
house.
one would like
Yeah,
smack
I feel
shit
like-
out of her.
Oh no. Yes, the other day I was like, little baby, be nice kid. She's like, slow motion. And I was like, you're so mean.
Still technically hit.
Yeah. And then Kylie just, I don't know, Kylie just, whatever.
And maybe she's not fat girl no more. However, she does look like she does eat like a fat girl.
Mainly she just eats fries, nuggets for life.
Wow, look at how she ate her onion rings.
Oh, and she likes to eat crispy stuff, indeed.
I can
The
see
egg
that.
rolls, she likes to eat the outside, and the nuggets, she likes to eat the outside and like, that's why like she's full, right? I feed her though, because that's what I do.
Hai chị tôi cho kêu tết vậy hả? Hai mình cho hai chị tôi đó.
Turn on, you gotta eat all your onion rings.
I don't think that's onion rings. I think you actually grabbed her squid.
Yeah, squid.
That's
You
why.
liar.
I think that's why she
It's
bit
like
it
your
and she
onion.
didn't like it.
Đúng rồi, anh nhìn riêng thôi nhau giống như.
Y'all grabbed the wrong one.
You guys grabbed the
Y'all grabbed the squid. Oh,
She ain't grab it.
I would have went. This is the onion
I want
ring.
it more.
I wanted
You
more.
want it more?
Or you just want the crispy part.
She just, that's what she did at those.
Good job.
You want more?
Okay, you gotta wait.
Wait.
I'll put it on Temu. We can go together.
That way.
Nó chỉ đây mẹ ăn nó bà lái không nè.
Yeah.
That's it.
Xuân nè, để mẹ chưa. Cool.
This one? Oh, which one do you want? You didn't say nothing. You got top. That's how I always tell her that.
Oh, I think she probably sees me eating it. She doesn't know how to.
Want me to help you?
Có đây mình có cầu.
Look.
Oh my god, look at how she bit.
Baby, no, don't eat that part.
Yeah, yeah.
Mommy do for you. Okay? It's okay, it's okay. You have to
Yeah, she threw it.
You have to be sensitive. Yeah, she doesn't want attention on her. She's sleeping already? Oh yeah, when she poops,
Trying to let it out.
too.
Stare at her.
Yeah.
Acknowledge her.
No, you gotta wait.
You need a
What
dog
come?
with you. So you gotta wait.
Mimi will count.
Hold on, auntie almost done. Auntie go down more with you.
Yeah, this auntie also needs some more.
She don't like it when people bump.
Yummy.
That's me.
Davis.
Let's see. Are you eating?
Yeah, I mean, I can still take her one. I don't know where it is.
It's all the way in the corner.
Maybe it's part of your shoe.
Put your shoes on and tap.
You need to go to the bathroom, Ellie? No? Okay, you stay here.
Hurry.
Okay, maybe it's ready.
Go, aren't you going? Put your shoe on. She's putting her shoes on. Or trying to.
Cái gì anh đây rồi gọi mãi nó thì tàu hả?
I didn't eat all day, but I'm only into food cold one.
Thế thì tao nói
I
nó
was too
hả?
busy working. Yes. Yeah, good job. You ate all your noodle. God damn, girl, that's a lot. That you eat as much as Mary do. Literally, Mary eat that portion and she's full.
Mary has a nice body.
Man, that's good. Must be nice.
You still have Stella and Troy?
Yeah, they're still there. Oh, I don't think you guys saw how the house kind of looks now.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, I slightly changed things around. I bought,
Did you bring your old stuff back?
kind of.
Oh, that's nice.
There's still half of it is still coming.
Oh yeah. Is he gonna bring it to you?
Whenever he comes up, you bring like a box or two.
Oh, that's nice.
Nó chỉ tàu phải không?
Yeah, because he ends up dropping Helios off anyways, so.
Oh, that's nice. It's okay.
Nó sợ xa lại nó tờ.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Chú này nó to nè hả? Nó
You
hết tờ
going,
lát.
you going on didn't see?
Right here, look.
Sorry. I'm gonna come back and do that.
She's like, why the fuck
You
you
wanna go?
watching?
Oh.
Take photo with her later.
Yeah, later. Or in a big
Later.
She got chunky
I'll
cheeks.
wake her up. But I'm not wake
She
her up.
didn't want to come out of me. That's
I got that too.
Okay, bye, ugly.
Mom, is that mine?
Ừ.
Oh, I don't know. It's like,
Nó chỉ nói flu đó.
I really love cho nó thấy nó.
Phải nè.
No, let me see.
Mới nhắn không? Nó flu tàu
She
của
hasn't touched the
nó.
other ones, but she touched the grapes.
Nó flu tàu của tôi chăm không nào.
okay. Manja ka no.
Con chia một vị của chăm hả?
Come watch ya.
Cái này tàu của này
It's
chăm
okay.
nó.
Take your time.
Ui, nè nè.
The orange is someone.
Đi điều nó chỉ khá một lúc thì đi hết chuyện nó không đâu.
Yeah, I kind of taste the difference. The other one has more flavorful.
Phụ
Yeah,
nó
this
la
one's bland.
Yeah.
phụ làm người đấy là cái gì
Yeah, I didn't want to go far either. I'm like,
That wasn't driving anyways.
cái gì nữa chỉ sản nhau chết to nên đấy có họ tới chuyện nó tất tật cho phải cái nói tiền cho số mù chơi rồi
because there's a rush hour
You're
right
dramatic, but yeah.
Maybe like 30 minutes.
Yeah, I was like, you're dramatic, but sure.
chẳng nói như
now. I know this side is rush hour, but it's not that. You're so chunky. So chunky.
Has the head shape
Bây giờ
of
nó là chế lọ hả?
paisley.
Nó là
Tá của hay cho cái túi
She had tea hat shape too. They had that thing.
the widow's peak.
Oh.
Because you could tell like her hair.
Oh, you can tell it's growing like that.
Yeah.
Có thể bé nóng đau
She
không?
has her hair is so long.
I know. Now
It's
pushing
slightly
it out.
brown.
What do you mean?
Her hair?
Oh, like a swirl?
No, like it's brown. Like the color of it is slightly. Unless
Oh.
I'm tripping, I swear it's
Like
like light.
over here, I can see
It's
brown.
like a dark brown.
I know when Cheer brought Tristan over, she's so funny. I was like, girl, you should her hair looked bigger than it was before.
Oh yeah, her head is growing.
And then she was like, I don't know, is it getting bigger? I was like, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's getting bigger.
And then she was
She
like,
doesn't
I thought
realize
so
it,
too.
but it's getting bigger because when she had
Yeah.
Graceland,
Uh-huh.
no, and then like
After
she started,
shaving?
she started going. I'm like, is her head getting bigger?
Because I feel like Everly too. Remember I shaved her, her hair just got bigger and bigger.
Go back.
Kind of cute on her though.
Oh, she's weak. Hey, give me her so I can take a picture. Watch her eyes still open.
No, she closing it.
Không biết là nếu chúng tôi chơi nhỉ? Nếu mà muốn chơi,
Mình đang nếm một cái chuyện.
nhá nhá lên nếu mà mua nhá là